How to make theme change in JavaScript.
Changing a website theme using JavaScript is a great way to enhance user experience,
Especially if you want to offer light and dark modes or different color schemes. The basic idea is to use JavaScript to add or remove
CSS classes from the document's elements, or to modify styles dynamically. First, you define different CSS themes in your style sheet.
Each theme can be associated with a specific class, like dark theme or light theme. In JavaScript,
You then target the main element, usually the body tag,
and toggle the theme,
class based on user interaction,
like clicking a button. You can also save the user's preference in the browser's local storage. So the selected theme,
persists even after the page is reloaded.
when the page loads,
JavaScript checks local storage and applies the saved theme automatically.
this method gives users more control and creates a personalized experience. In more advanced setups, theme changes can affect more than just colors. They can adjust fonts,
Spacing or even animations
theme switching with JavaScript,
is commonly used in modern web apps.
and is a key part of making accessible and user-friendly interfaces.
It's a fun way to make your project more interactive and user-centric.